Now we are in the final chapter of the rocks. We're going to talk about the metamorphic rock, and then we're going to talk about the rock cycle in this one as well. So, metamorphic rock will undergo extreme heat and pressure. So, it's deep down in Earth's, under Earth's surface, extreme heat and pressure, and the rock almost turns into like a silly putty type of consistency where it can be squeezed and mushed together, and it has like a movement, but it has not melted because we know if it melted, it would be an igneous rock. So extreme heat and pressure, no melting. All right. It can change the results, appearance, the texture, the crystal structure, all changes. It moves. It gets squeezed together. We classify it by looking at how the grains or the minerals are now arranged. They end up being arranged in what we call banding or foliation. It looks like stripes going through the rock. Where it used to be a crystal, now you see a strip or a stripe going through it. So, right here in the next picture, you can see these stripes. That was because it underwent extreme heat and pressure. Those crystals got squeezed together and end up looking like that. That's mineral banding. All right, here, same thing, showing you the mineral banding. As I said before, metamorphic rocks will not have any of the fossils in them because of that extreme heat and pressure. They would get deformed, they would get squished, and you would no longer see them. So here's a great diagram of the process of metamorphism. Crystals, heat, pressure, it gets squeezed, more heat, more pressure, it gets squeezed together even more. And you see that mineral banding right there. So some of the properties of a metamorphic rock, they have crystals, just like igneous rocks. We actually call it recrystallization because it changes the crystal structure. They're usually more dense because they're getting squeezed together. That squeeze together will bring the molecules closer together, causing a higher density. And those zigzag patterns and that foliation.